So MDC have brought out a new range of caravans. Now these are a caravan pop top, and behind us is the Forbes 12 Plus Edition. Now, what does the plus stand for? It stands for all plus extra stuff.
Lots of extra stuff going on in this van, mate.
Now this thing is awesome. It is an off-road machine. Now I'm pretty sure that this thing could go further than the vehicle that tows it. It's that off-road capable.
Let's face it, mate, I've just towed this thing for 10 weeks and I've slept in it plenty and I've came the hell out of it down every track we've been on, and let's face it, it's still going, it's still brand new inside, and I really don't want to see the back of it.
He doesn't want to see the back of it. All good, the back of your van is down, back of your van's down, you're good, you're down. So not only have we taken it down some of Cape York's toughest tracks, and it's still going, it takes luxury in the bush to the next level. Now the only problem with this thing is, I can't get this guy out. So Simon, what are your favourite bits about the Forbes 12?
Well, there's plenty of them, mate. Obviously the bed is number one. It's got a really comfortable bed, that's nice, and it's very airy in there, and it's all fly screened, and like even on a hot day like today, you jump in there, it's quite cool.
Oh, so it's insulated?
Fully insulated, and let's face it, the kitchen is the next one, the bed in the kitchen.
Yes, I did notice the kitchen.
It's
huge.
You don't have to plumb anything, huge prep area.
Yeah, that is true.
Good sink, good burner.
Yeah, you got cutlery drawers, the really good stuff. Now, not only does it have a great kitchen, but it also has a great pantry. It's got this inside-outside pantry where you can get things from the inside, but you can also open it from the outside. All the hatches on the outside are double sealed, which makes them very, very dust-proof.
Yeah.
The other thing I did notice is when you hop inside this thing, it has a full-size shower and toilet.
It does have a shower and toilet, and that's something you don't expect in a little pop-top caravan like that.
No.
No.
And this sleeps 3 people. 2 adults and a child.
There's a bunk. Yep.
There you go. You know the other thing that makes the plus?
No.
Solar.
Yeah, it's got truckloads of solar.
It's got 3 batteries, mate.
Yeah, it's got power coming out of it.
Yeah, so it's got inverter, it's got charger, AC/DC charger, DC/DC charger, it's got 3 batteries, deep cycle batteries, 3 solar panels on the roof, right? And it's got gauges to run the water tanks, it's got bulk gauges, it's got switches and lights and fittings.
And radio.
And radio.
And the quick setup, mate. We pull up at camp, boom, I pop the back out and pop the top, I'm going.
That is true. You're done like that.
Yep. Morning time, let's go, boys. Pop, pop, drive on.
Mate, is there anything else it doesn't have?
It's home away from home.
There's no doubt about it, and you can take it anywhere.